Yeah, but again, it's at the end of the day, it's trucking, right? So it's moving stuff from point A to point B. I mean, who doesn't love planes, trains, automobiles, and trucks, and the hardworking American men and women that drive this industry. The biggest surprise to me over the last, you call it year or so, or even you call it the entire kind of post-COVID kind of correction, is just the resiliency of the U.S. consumer. And so again, the story of the trucking market is one of supply and demand. So what drives demand? Ultimately, it's, for the most part, it's U.S. industrial production. So the rate at which we're making stuff in the U.S., either for domestic consumption or export, the vast majority of it drives domestic consumption. So as long as you and I and we're all consuming things, buying things, physical goods, then that requires the U.S. industrial plants and factories to make those goods for our consumption, and ultimately that requires a lot of truckload transportation to move those goods in between. So as long as consumption is healthy, as long as retail sales are healthy and at least stable, then that tends to be a pretty bullish signal for the demand side of the trucking marketplace.